Boys and girls, next we are going to identify letters by the sound the letter makes. Get your pointer finger ready. Here we go. What letter makes the sound B? B makes the sound B. What letter makes the sound E? Point to the letter that makes the sound E. E makes the sound E. Point to the letter that makes the sound G. G says G. Point to the letter that makes the I sound. I makes the I sound. Point to the letter that makes the K sound. K makes the K sound. Point to the letter that makes the sound. M makes the sound. What letter makes the ah sound? O makes the ah sound. What letter makes the qu sound? Q makes the qu sound. What letter makes the s sound? S makes the s sound. What letter makes the sound? U makes the sound. What letter makes the w sound? W makes the w sound. What letter makes the y sound? Y makes the y sound. What letter makes the a sound? Apple makes the a sound. What letter makes the k sound? C makes the k sound. What letter makes the d sound? D makes the d sound. What letter makes the f sound? F makes the f sound. What letter makes the h sound? H makes the h sound. What letter makes the j sound? J makes the ch sound. What letter makes the ol sound? Ladybug makes the, oops, excuse me, wrong thing. L makes the ol sound. What letter makes the n sound? N makes the n sound. What letter makes the p sound? P makes the p sound. What letter makes the sound. R makes the sound. What letter makes the t sound? T makes the t sound. What letter makes the v sound? V makes the v sound. What letter makes the x sound? X makes the x sound. What letter makes the z sound? Z makes the z sound. Good job, boys and girls.